Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to make money online quickly, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll share some actionable tips and strategies that can help you start earning fast. So, let's jump right into it. One of the quickest ways to make money online is by offering freelance services. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients who are actively seeking specific skills. Identify your expertise. Whether it's writing, graphic design, social media management, or web development, and create a compelling profile highlighting your skills. Start bidding on relevant projects, and with dedication and quality work, you can earn money within a short span of time. Another fast-paced method is online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, language, or instrument, you can offer your tutoring services online. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, and Tutor.com provide opportunities to connect with students around the world. Set your availability, create engaging lesson plans, and start teaching via video calls. Not only can you earn money quickly, but you'll also have the satisfaction of helping others succeed. Next up is drop shipping. This business model allows you to sell products online without having to handle inventory or shipping. Start by identifying a profitable niche and finding reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo. Set up your online store using platforms like Shopify, and then market your products through social media advertising or influencer collaborations. With effective marketing strategies, you can generate sales and earn money quickly without the hassle of inventory management. Moving on, we have online surveys and micro-tasking. Although these methods might not provide substantial income, they can be a quick way to make some extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Survey Junkie offer opportunities to complete surveys, simple online tasks, or participate in market research. While the payouts may be smaller, you can earn money relatively quickly, especially if you dedicate some time each day. Now, let's talk about selling digital products. If you have a skill or expertise that can be packaged into digital goods, such as ebooks, templates, or stock photos, you can sell them online. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Creative Market allow you to showcase and sell your creations to a global audience. Invest time in creating high-quality products and promoting them effectively through social media, email marketing, or collaborations with influencers. Selling digital products can provide a fast and scalable income stream. And there you have it. 5 actionable ways to make money online fast. Remember, while these methods can help you see quick results, it's important to approach them with a long-term mindset. Keep honing your skills, stay updated with the latest trends, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Building a sustainable online income takes time and effort. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We're here to support you on your journey to financial success. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.